Once upon a time, Lord Buddha was crossing a town with few of his followers and disciples. After a lot of walking, everyone was thirsty. As they were walking, they spotted a lake. All of them stopped there, and Lord Buddha told one of his followers, "Son, I am thirsty. Please get me some water from that lake there." At once, the disciple agreed and walked up to the lake. When he reached there, he discovered that some people were washing clothes in the lake. He also spotted a bullock cart which was crossing the lake right at the edge of it. Because of that, the water became very muddy. The disciple thought, "How can I give this muddy water to my Lord?" Immediately, he went back and told Lord Buddha, "The water in the lake is very muddy. I don't think it is fit to drink." To this, Lord Buddha said, "Let's take some rest under the tree." After a couple of minutes, Lord Buddha asked his same follower to go back to the lake and get him some water to drink. The disciple obediently went back to the lake without saying anything. This time, he discovered that the lake had absolutely clean water in it. All of the mud had settled down, and the water above looked fit to drink. So he began collecting some water in a pot and brought it to Lord Buddha. At once, Buddha looked up at the disciple and said, "Son, let the water be and the mud settles down on its own. You got clear water. It didn't require any effort." Lord Buddha then continued, "Just like water, your mind is also like that. When it is disturbed, just let it be. Give the mind a little time to settle down on its own. You need not to have to put any effort to calm it down. You can judge and take best decision of your life when we stay calm."